PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Malvern, Pennsylvania offers premier dryer vent cleaning services to ensure the safety and efficiency of your home's ventilation system. Our commitment to excellence extends beyond mere cleaning. We prioritize education and transparency, ensuring that our clients understand the importance of regular maintenance and how it contributes to the longevity of their dryer systems. Call our dryer vent cleaning if you have any questions. Are you looking for a dryer vent cleaning service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. Why is dryer vent cleaning important in Malvern, Pennsylvania? Dryer vent cleaning is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps prevent lint buildup, which can restrict airflow and lead to overheating, potentially causing a fire hazard. Additionally, clean dryer vents improve the efficiency of your dryer, reducing drying times and saving energy. Is dryer vent cleaning necessary if I clean the lint trap regularly? While cleaning the lint trap after each use is essential for maintaining your dryer, it's not sufficient to prevent lint buildup in the vent system. Lint can still accumulate in the ducts and vents over time, necessitating professional cleaning to ensure optimal performance and safety. What is your service area for the Malvern, Pennsylvania service office? Our dryer vent cleaning service has served Malvern, Fraser, DeVoe, Kimberton, Malvern Hunt, Chester Springs, Phoenixville, Westchester, Paoli, East Whiteland Township, Charlestown Township, Willstown, Exton, Phoenixville Pike, East Whiteland, Pennsylvania. Where is your Malvern, Pennsylvania dryer vent cleaning office located? We are located at 627 Swedesford Road, Malvern, Pennsylvania 19355. Our phone number is 610-424-6448. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Malvern.